Hello everyone. Today I'm giving you updates on Makarios, the luxury place. I was here just a fortnight ago to report about the water fountain that was currently at the foundation stage. So today I'm going to give you update of what has happened. One good thing you need to know about a very nice estate is that anytime you come here, you would have seen something new. So what are the things you do in Makarios, the luxury place today? I'm going to show you. Please watch this video to the end and you're going to see what has happened, what was there before, and where we are now, and what we are doing. What is it? Okay, last 2 weeks when we came to this place, I did tell you that they were preparing to cast the foundation for the service apartment. As you can see, that the casting has taken place right here in some of the units. You can see that the foundation have been done. As you can see, let's get very close so that you see it very well. Right, that's it. Okay, so you can see that many units has already been casted. Let us just go there and see what's going on right there. You can see that they are not joking. Okay, many units will be out now. So you can see that the casting of the foundation has been done for the service apartment. Okay, right now the sand filling is currently going on, and immediately after the sand filling, we're gonna do the DPC. And then if you look up there, you can see that all the blocks that are required to jack this house up is down. So it's going to take place immediately after they finish the sand filling and the German floor. The next time I come here, I'm going to see that certainly the block work would be going up. So right now you can see that a lot of units have been cast, the foundation has been done, and right now they are doing backfilling. After backfilling, we'll do the German floor, and right away the block will take the house up. Let me also take you down to the water fountain so that you will see the progress of work that has been taking place. Work is aggressively going on here. As you can see, everybody is busy. Up there you can see that the creation of the road work and other network are still going on. Let us go and check the fountain. Right, here we are. This is the place for the water display fountain. Okay, last 2 weeks as we were here, we see that the foundation were laid, but right now today you can see that the bond walls have been raised and a lot of activities have taken on here. In fact, it's about the final finishing works that are currently going on. Let's just walk right inside and see status of activities right here. Just come with me. You can see that the fixtures are being fine-tuned. Work is aggressively going on. The pumps, the positioning for the pumps, as you can see, and the pipings have been done. Remember that the target time for this fountain to take place is mid-June. As you can see, a lot of things have taken place. The floor and a lot of activities have taken place. So right now, as you can see, more work are being done to ensure that we meet the timeline for this fountain to take place. So the facilitators of this estate are not joking. We are working with time, and we want to make sure that we deliver a similar replica of that which you see in Dubai that happens right here. So the work is aggressive, and I can tell you for sure that it's on schedule and it's going to work out fine. Also, the Transparent fencing is currently going on, as you can see right there. The raising of the fence beside the estate was done within the week. These are updates of activities that has happened here that I'm giving you right now. Let me also tell you that the finishing of about the entrance of the estate is also going on. Come with me. Let me tell you some of the activities that are going on right there. Okay, so you can see that the transparent fencing is currently ongoing. In front of this place is Lekki Ekpe Expressway. Okay, so a lot of activity are currently going on right here to make this estate superb. Okay, so you can see the quality of work going on. It's not small thing. Okay, you can see these are the bond walls. The permanent fence is currently ongoing. Okay, so this is Makarios, the luxury place. Fantastic engineering work going on here to specification and as designed. Okay, so like I did say to people that this is a place of luxury. You want something exceptional, you want to be differentiated from others, then this is a place to be. Makarios, the luxury place, is a place for you. Have you lived in the Dubai, US, UK, Canada? You see places of luxury. This is what is being represented here. Currently on sale is the commercial plots for 300,000 per square meter, and then we have the service plots, the studio accommodation, studio apartments going for 40 million. We have 2-bedroom apartments going for 75 million outright, and the 2-bedroom penthouse going for 125 million outright, 3-bedroom apartments going for 125 million, and 5-bedroom apartments going for 200 million naira. I would be glad to assist you secure one of these service apartments in Makarios, the luxury place. Call my number and I'll be glad to be of service to